Hello guys, this is Silva here again. I'm back again with another powerful boom and crash strategy. Alright, this is a very good strategy guys. This is a very simple but powerful strategy. Alright, with this strategy you can grow your small account, be it a $10 or a $5 account. Okay, I'll be sharing with you guys this wonderful strategy for free. Alright, so all I ask of you is to make sure you stick to the video to the very end. Alright, make sure you don't skip any part of this video because I wouldn't want you to miss any important information I'll be sharing here in this video. Okay, now before I share with you how the strategy work, I'm going to share with you the setting for this strategy. Okay, now here is what you should do. You click on this icon here. Alright, so after clicking on that, the first indicator here is the moving average. Right, now before you search for the moving average, you have to click on this icon. Okay, so after searching and clicking on the moving average, maybe you are going to see different parameters. All right, but I want you to change it to this one. Change it to the setting you are seeing here on your screen. Here the period for this one is 10, the shift is 0, the method is exponential, the apply to close, the style we have 3 pixel, the color is red. After that you click on save. Alright, now we are done with the main chart. Alright, so for the indicator window 1, okay, you are still going to click on this icon here. Alright, so after clicking on that, you search for the MACD, which is this one right here, and then you set everything the same way you are saying it here. Okay, the fast EMA is 12, the slow EMA is 26, the MACD SMA is 9, the apply to we have close. Under the style, the main is 2 pixel, the color is black, the signal is 3 pixel, the color is red. After that you click on save. Alright, now we are done with the MACD. Now the next indicator here is the moving average. Right, now before you search and add the moving average, you have to click on this icon. Alright, then you search for the moving average. Okay, so now the period for the moving average is 1, the shift is 0, the method is simple, the apply to you change it to previous indicators data. Now under the style we have 3 pixel, the color is blue. Okay, after that you click on save. We are done with the moving average. Now the last indicator here is going to be the relative strength index, and you have to click on this icon in order to add that. Okay, now what we need the relative strength index for is just the level. Okay, so you have to change this to 1, the period, the apply to is close, and under the style you make it 1 pixel, you make the color of your background. Okay, so if you're using a black background, you make your color black. Okay, and for the levels we have 15 and 85. Okay, 15 and 85. Now you see the pixel here is 2 and the color is black. All right, you go back and then you click on save. Now we are done with the setting for the indicators. All right, now this strategy is a very simple strategy to understand. Okay, you don't need to be confused on this one. Now all you need to do is to wait for the MACD signal, and the red line here is the signal line, and here is the main line. All right, the white line here. So you are going to allow those two lines to get to the 85. All right, so whenever you see that they have gotten to the 85, now you are going to wait for the blue here to cross below the red. Right, so once you see the crossing happening, all right, you have to look here on the main chart. You also confirm on the main chart that the price, all right, the small candle have crossed below the red line here on the main chart. So once you see that crossing, now it is confirmed fully that you are to go in for a sell trade. All right, you have to go in and scalp the market. All right, and with this strategy you are required to take only 5 candles. All right, just take 5 candles and you are done. Okay, you are not to stay more than 5. All right, let me show you another example again. All right, now Now you can see here that after price sorry, you can see here that after the indicator, the blue indicator cross below the red, alright, and before the crossing you make sure that it touches the 85 zone, alright, the 85 level, alright. So after that touching, you wait for the crossing, alright, which happened here, alright. After you confirm the crossing on the indicator window, you look on the main chart, alright. You also need to confirm that yes, that the price have crossed below the red moving average, alright. So after seeing this crossing here on the main chart, you have to go in for your 5 candles and then you are out. Okay, 5 candle is more safer, alright, using this strategy. Okay, same thing apply on the crash market, alright. Same thing applies on the crash market. Now you can see here, after the crossing above, you wait for the crossing on the main chart here, and then you have to go in for your 5 candles, alright. You go in for 5 candles and then you are done, alright. So this is how the strategy work, alright. So all that is left for you now is to go out there and backtest the strategy. Okay, backtest the strategy, don't just take my words for it, alright. Make sure you backtest it and see if it's working for you, just like I've said, alright, before you can go in with your real money, alright. So I think I'll be closing the curtain here now, alright. I'll be ending the video right here. For those of you who are just coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately, alright. And please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you are getting value from it, alright. So I think that's going to be all. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye.